Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be creating this gorgeous bronze gold wearable eye makeup which is perfect for Indian weddings or festivities. Also it suits any eye shape including hooded eyes. So let's get started. First step is creating a base. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 317 and blending it out really well with some loose powder. It's a high coverage concealer, so it is perfect for an eye base. For eyeshadow, I'm using my very old Morphe 35G palette, taking this mid-tone warm brown on a fluffy brush and adding it on the crease as a transition color in a back and forth as well as small circular motion. Taking the same shadow on a more tapered blending brush, I'm adding depth on the crease with a focused application. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. liquid contour in Tan Intense and using that as a base at the outer corner to create a smoky effect, and blending it out with this flat but dense brush and slightly winging it out to give my eyes an elongated shape. Then I picked up this rich warm brown matte eyeshadow on the same blending brush and added it on the crease to add some more warmth. Then I took this beautiful matte chocolate brown on a very tiny blending brush and applying and blending it on the smoky base that I created with the liquid contour at the outer corners of my eyes, and again slightly winging it out. Using a blending brush to take away any harsh lines and give my eyes a smooth transition between shadows. For the main shimmer, I'm creating this cocktail of these gorgeous copper and bronze gold shimmers and taking it on my fingertips for maximum pigment on the eyelid, giving a quick blend on the crease to remove any harsh edges. Again, taking the matte chocolate brown eyeshadow on a very thin angled brush and creating a smoky eyeliner on my upper lash line, and again creating a winged shape at the outer corner. I'm doing this in small little strokes so that it comes out perfect and I don't miss a spot. Next, I'm taking the MAC in Extreme Dimension Kajal in black and creating a depth for the eyeliner, keeping it very thin close to my upper lash line while not losing the brown shadow we created in the previous step. I want the gradation to be seen from black to brown. Finally, taking this matte black eyeshadow and smudging it right on top of the black kohl that I applied while setting and intensifying it more and adding depth using this precise academic blooming brush from Forever 52, and it's such a good brush for detailed eye makeup. Thanks to Yogita for recommending and introducing me to this brush. It's so good. Once I'm done with that, I'm taking a makeup wipe and cleaning the eye makeup from under the wing area to create a neat and sharp look. To add some glitz to the eye makeup, I'm using the Jelly Verse stick from Swiss Beauty in the shade Bronze Eclipse, which is the most gorgeous bronze gold micro sparkle and honestly feels so luxe in quality. Sticks to the eyelid without any glue as well. I just absolutely love it. This is so festive and Indian coded sort of a product. I love it. Comes in a bunch of shades too. Then I finished up with my base, and for the bottom lash line and waterline, I'm using the Fay Beauty Ideal Kajal in brown. I'm using a brown instead of black because I want to make my eyes look more softer and ethereal, so making a black would look more defined and sort of harsh. Adding the YSL Lash Clash mascara and doing several coats and keeping it very light on the bottom eyelashes. You can use any mascara that you have, doesn't have to be YSL. To finish the look, I'm adding these feather light falsies from Recode, which looks glam but natural at the same time and beautifully enhanced my eye makeup. And that's the finished look. Bronze gold neutral smoky eyes, which looks incredibly gorgeous, especially on brown skin tones, and perfect to wear for weddings or festivals. The lens I'm wearing here are dusky brown lenses from Aquacolor, in case you're wondering. All the products are tagged on the screen for your convenience. Let me know if you want to see more of these makeup tutorials on my channel. I would love to create some. Hope you enjoyed and learned watching this in-depth eye makeup tutorial. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.